What's going on YouTube? Back again with another great video. And behind me here we have my 350Z, and today we're going to be doing some more work to it to get it ready for boost. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and watch all the other videos I have posted, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Well, the first thing that we're going to end up doing today is going to be pressure washing the engine bay. It's really dirty. Want to get everything out as good as possible, since this probably might be maybe one out of the many few times the engine will be out of this car. After that, we're going to go ahead and start putting on the rest of the parts onto the new motor, and possibly start trying to get the wiring and the fuel return kit put on in the car while the engine is out. So follow me on my journey and let's get it. Alright, next, I want you focus. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put some foam down on this car so we can get to scrubbing. Go? Yeah. Alright, the engine bay has now been cleaned out. Alright, everything been sprayed out like it came out when it first came out.
What?
Got the power steering rack all nicely cleaned. This area right here is gonna probably stay here because this car wasn't an accident. And they did some frame work on it, but we're all nice and sharp and clean looking. So next step, we're gonna push it back to where it was, and we're gonna go ahead and begin putting the engine parts onto the new motor. Watch the door and that ladder. You try to see if there's anything behind it.
That was interesting.
Woo!
Alright, you want to squeegee this shit now? You're definitely gonna record me.
Yes, sir! This one's broken.
It's broken?
Yeah, I already have one on my car. You see it right there?
You slam it?
Where?
Yeah!
I'ma be nice. I'm trying to get like you, my
I'm gonna let y'all know right now, this is not for the weak. Look at my hands. Look at the car. No, sorry. Look at the engine. Huh. Tired of this, Grandpa. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put on all the accessories we took off in the last video and put back onto the car. Alright, we've put on most of the parts that we can put on right now for the car. So next we will be going ahead and putting on the clutch, the flywheel, and the pressure plate. I'm gonna try to turn this as best as I can with the limited space I do have and do that. Alright guys, that concludes the video for today. So far, we've pretty much put on the heater core that was broken on the car, as well as a lot of exchanges like the tensioner that was bent in, and the coolant line that draws back to the driver's side. And pretty much this motor is almost ready to be able to at least be propped into the engine bay. We also cleaned out the engine bay as well. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this segment of the 350 twin turbo build. We only had one issue today, and I accidentally ended up breaking the pressure plate bolt on the bottom right side. It was really easy to get out since it snapped in half, and just use a flathead to take it out. So I had to order or pick up one from Nissan or even Z1 since they're close by to me, and we'll be able to finish up that entire pressure plate. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, I did skip a lot of the process, but I had to get some work done and put down the camera for a little bit. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. It helps me bring out more content like this, and hopefully you guys get to see even more crazy builds other than the 350Z. So I'll see you guys soon. Be blessed, and I'm out.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.